Hello and welcome to my screencast where I will help you navigate throughout my site. So as you can see on the navigation pane, I've got a logo here, and this is the exact same one, and whenever you are on any of these pages, if you click back on this logo, it will automatically take you back to this home page right here. I've also incorporated a number of different social media icons here, where I've included fun pages to have a look at and follow that are to do with Italy. Further going down the page, I've had included a button for each of my pages here. So when you click on this, it will take you to my blog and each of these pages. Through using an Instagram feed, I've used a lot of images here so that users can browse and also follow these cool Instagram accounts. So if you click on load more, it will just keep coming up with images that you can browse on throughout my website. I've also added in a poll of to get some more user interaction involved, and people can share this through Facebook and Twitter as well. On their accounts, and it also shows you the amount of votes that this has had. I've included a contact form down here, so whenever a user would like more information, they can just put their name in, their address, and the message they want to ask me, and this will get sent straight to my email. And this shows that 3-tier functionality of my website. So also there's more social media things they can share on here. So Twitter, and if they have all of these, they can share it through here. I've also included in my footer a search bar to search my whole website, as well as my Twitter feed. So this is my most recent Twitter. So when you click on my blog, for example, this will take you to the page, and so you can rate my whole blog here, as well as have a look at each post. So I've categorized these by, that one was Rome, so we've got Florence and Venice as well. And then I've included an accessibility plugins for text-to-speech, so this will read out the post. And then I've also included here a hyperlink to take you to booking the location of where I stayed. And I've included an accessibility one as well here, which enlarges the fonts and changes the colours. And then you can cancel that if you don't want to use any of this. And I've also included the option to vote on each post to just have an average of how good each post is. So if you go on the other one, there is another vote posting that you can do. So as you can see, the listen to post displays here to let people know, and then the posts are also categorized, and I will be posting more blog posts on here. So if we go, this will take us back to the page, and then we can go to how to travel page and have a look at the videos I've included here. So I've included a slider which allows you to flip between each video to have a look at, and obviously if you press play, it will play for you. And also another poll down here to see whether people want to go on an adventure. So on each of the main pages of the destinations, I've included 3 of these navigation bars, which are hyperlink pictures, and they take you to more information about each of the attractions, and you can also use the accessibility plugin to listen out to each post. So if we go back to Rome, and I've also included a weather widget down here, which shows you the degrees in Fahrenheit there it is in Rome, and another poll that people can vote on. So that will count my vote here, and it shows you how popular it is, and you can share it as well. And then down here I've included a map, and I've pinpointed each location so you can have a browse of, and it displays popular attractions here as well. So as you can see, I've included a color scheme, so I've used CSS to format this, as well as my travel blog sites here, and I've used this type of code to format the background of the weather widget. So this is the colors that I'm using, this is the logo when I've had to align it in the CSS style, and this is the font family that I'm using here, as well as the size and the color and putting it in bold. And then this is furthermore CSS code that I've used. So through using this CSS code, I've implemented a child theme to help me with creation of this. And also this allows me to customize it through the editor tab, which I have disabled for security reasons by installing an admin plugin. I have also used Google Analytics here, which is linked to my website, and it shows you the number of views and all users access that I've had. The Google Analytics work by having the code pasted in this part of the location. Thank you for listening. Happy exploring.